And what the Sprinter does, it goes along Mission Avenue. Mission Avenue, interestingly enough, used to be the historic Highway 395. And that is a scenic north-south route. It's straight through it. Portions of the highway does go through the Sierra region. Has stunning landscapes, historical significance. Some key points included was being a former American Indian trading route, and its designation as a historic route in specific areas like a little further south in San Diego and Poway is because it has natural landmarks such as Mono Lake and Manzanar National Historic Site.